Hey guys, Josh Lanning here. Wanted to create this really quick video going over Connect Retarget from Wilco to Craig Connectio. It's a tool that we really love because it allows us to do something that we call conditional retargeting. And if you're an agency owner, or if you sell, retargeting or Facebook ads or anything like that to other people, I think it's equally important as what the software resource, whatever, can do for you is your ability to explain it in a way that sells uh, more clients for your business. So your ability to discuss what this software does is equally as important. So I'm going to just kind of take that angle on it. If we were talking to, for example, a dentist and they offer an Invisalign program, and we wanted to sell them Facebook ads and retargeting, one of the things you could say to them is, hey, we have this proprietary software called Connect Retarget that we purchased. It's something that allows us to do something we call conditional retargeting. And what that means is, with regular retargeting, it's kind of everybody shows up to your site, they check it out. We know that they were there. We know if they ended up on a different page or not. But beyond that, we really don't know too much about them. With conditional retargeting, we can determine different segments of lists based on what activities they took on the site. And so let me just show you really quickly how this is set up. This is how you create a new audience. And so first thing you want to do is, it says select Power Pixel. Power Pixel is something that is unique to Connect Retarget. It's something that is a pixel that you put on the page just like you would any other retargeting pixel. It just gathers more data and information. So there's actually another page where you go, select your ad account, name the pixel, and click here and generate a pixel. Then when you're back on this page, you can choose that pixel, pulls out the ID, name the audience, choose the URL that you want it to be on and for them to watch. And then down here, we'll say we want it to watch for 30 days. We can go up to 180 days just like the regular pixel. And then our filters are what's really cool. So for example, let's say we had a sales page, a squeeze page that has a video on the top that goes through the offer, but then it has a lot of testimonials and information below. We really want to retarget people that watch the video all the way through, or most of the way through at least, and also people that scroll down the page. And so stuff you can look at, so stuff that you can filter by, is a better way of saying it, is time on site, how far they scrolled down, what browser language they used, referral source, number of visits, date of visit, visiting device, meaning mobile, desktop, or tablet, number of sessions on the page, and then a bunch of UTM options for tracking. And so to keep it easy, we're talking about this dentist. We say we can actually create a focused retargeting list of not only people who come to your site, but people who come to your site, stay on for at least 300 seconds. We know that's watching the video all the way through, and scroll down at least 75% of the way, meaning they saw most of our content on the page. And so based on that, we know that they've consumed a lot of the content. We could also even add people that used a mobile device, let's say, or mobile and tablet, but didn't do it on their desktop, right? And so what that does is we can create an ad that goes to this specific page, or I'm sorry, this specific audience that says, hey, we know that they consume the content, we know that they scrolled down, but for whatever reason they didn't take action. Let's try to put a retargeting ad in front of them because they saw it on mobile tablets, put it in front of them on desktop, and maybe on desktop they're more likely to fill out the form or to purchase the product or whatever it might be. Again, there's so many different ways, so many different things that you can choose. Referral sources, browser language, date of visit, before, after, on or after. So very cool stuff that you can do based on activity on the site, and also what you know on the back end is the activity you want them to take, or how you want to retarget them based on the activity they took. So it's very cool. One other thing I wanted to show you is our bonus one more time. So let me just bring this over here. Our bonus is called Pixel Academy. It's something we're launching next week. It's just a 2-day mini course We like to call it a master course, but it's just a 2-day deal. It's those days are spread out 1 week apart, and so let's look at day one instead of day two. Day one, we talk about what's new on Facebook, what's working, what's not working, pitfalls, things not to do, custom audience overview, new types of audiences that are important to be aware of. We go over the different types of pixels. We talk about the different types of conversion options, and we have a Q&A. Day two, which would be, like I said, a week later, we go kind of a deep dive into lead ads because it's something that's been working really well for us for local, and we've been using special retargeting for lead ads. That's now an option, and so wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of that and how we set it up. We'll give you some standard operating procedures around that, how you can optimize it, and then also a follow-up strategy, meaning the ability to follow up using an autoresponder using lead ads is not an easy thing. So there's actually something also that Wilco created called Connect Leads. If you don't have that, we recommend you pick that up too. Connect Leads allows you to set up a lead ad directly into Infusionsoft or MailChimp or whatever your autoresponder might be. And then conditional retargeting is everything we just showed you. We talk about how we're using it and how to create power pixels, when to use it, when not to use it, and then we also have a Q&A. So that's in a nutshell. Go get Connect Audience and Connect Retarget. These tools are well worth the price. And then again, you pretty much make up for it for having free access to our Pixel Academy. So it's a good deal either way. We look forward to seeing you in Pixel Academy, and feel free to reach out to me with any questions. All right, talk soon. Oh, and click the button below to go check out Connect Retarget. All right, talk soon. Thanks.